Have you ever wondered where a computer stores all your pictures, videos, documents, and software? I mean, even when you turn the computer off, all that data is still there when you turn it back on. How is that possible? Well, it's all thanks to storage devices. In this video, we're going to dive into what storage devices are and explore the different types of secondary storage that make our digital lives possible. So, what exactly are storage devices? Think of them as the long-term memory for your computer. They're used to store programs and data that aren't being actively used at that very moment. Because they have a huge storage capacity, they're often called mass storage devices or secondary memory. The key thing here is that these devices store your data permanently, keeping it safe and sound even when the power is turned off. Let's start with the most common one, the hard disk. The hard disk is a magnetic storage device that's usually fixed right inside your computer's case. It's the workhorse that stores your operating system, all your software, and, of course, your personal files. Modern hard disks can hold hundreds of gigabytes or even terabytes of data. But what if you need to take your files with you? That's where portable hard disks come in. These are external hard drives that you can connect to your computer through a simple USB port. They're perfect for backing up large amounts of data or transferring big files between computers with ease. Next up, let's talk about optical storage. Remember the compact disc or CD. A CD is a portable optical disc that can hold about 700 megabytes of data. It's pretty thin, just 1.2 millimeters, and has a diameter of 120 millimeters. To use it, you need a CD drive, which can read the data from the disk or write new data onto it. Then came the DVD, which stands for Digital Versatile Disc. A DVD looks almost identical to a CD in size and shape, but it has a much larger storage capacity. A single DVD can store anywhere from 4 to 16 gigabytes of data. You use a DVD writer to read and write data on DVDs, and the cool part is that most DVD writers can also handle CDs. Now, for something a bit smaller, the memory card, these tiny portable storage devices pack a surprising punch, holding several gigabytes of data. You'll find them everywhere in mobile phones, laptops, and digital cameras storing all your precious photos, audio files, and videos. And finally, we have the super popular USB flash drive. They're easy to carry, affordable, and have become the go-to choice for quickly transferring data from one place to another. So, to wrap it all up, storage devices are absolutely crucial in any computer system. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech